vibrant forest, a wonderful ecosystem thrives.
Are you thinking
Here,
how you can
every
create a
animal
video like
plays an
this you are
important
watching?
role.
Right
Meet the
now it
mighty
is very
lion
simple.
and the fierce
By only
tiger,
using
both top predators
ChatGPT,
that
the
help
only
keep
thing you
the
need to have
animal
is an idea.
population in balance.
Okay, let's
They
now get
remind us
started.
that everyone has
Okay, open ChatGPT at the top left corner. Click Explore GPTs, and you will see a group of many elements. Search VEED.ai or navigate where it is. Hit on it. We are going to start, and you will write what you want to create in your video. Like, can you create for me a fan video about animals in the forest? Sure, I'd love to help you create a fan video about animals in the forest. To get started, I'll need a bit more information. What is the primary message or goal of the video? Who is the target audience for this video? What tone or mood are you aiming to achieve? How long would you like your video to be? Answer these questions so as to guide the ChatGPT about what kind of video you want to create. ChatGPT will tell you this great. Thanks for the details. Let's refine your video concept further with a few more questions. Are there any specific animals or elements of the ecosystem cycle you want to highlight? Do you want any particular educational facts included? Would you like the script to include any interaction or questions to engage the children? This information will help create a detailed and engaging script for your fan video about animals in the forest. Answer these questions also, and wait a bit to continue. To follow some steps like, to which text-to-speech voiceover would you like to use for this video, male or female, and confirming. So amazing. Now, look where it is written. Click here to view and edit your video. Click on it. Now your video has been now created, and you can easily load your generated video in the VEED editor to add finishing touches. Edit, style, and animate subtitles. Translate your video into 120 languages. Clone your voice for easy to add voiceovers. Use an AI avatar. And so much more. No. And by this time, we are going in the process of exporting our video. The reason why I called this way as ChatGPT video creation is that everything is being done in ChatGPT, and you will only remains with exporting your video. To log in. I recommend you to log in with your Google accounts if you have them. If not, also, don't worry, you can create yours. Or you may use your friend's Google email. The reason is to let you have access to your creations and to let VEED.ai create your workplace. Yes, today you are lucky, you who are watching this video. Are you having a trouble on how you can create your content on YouTube? This is the best video. You are in right way. And please watch the full video to discover how you will remove watermark without any other professional techniques. Please, how did this video makes you feel now? If cool, why cannot you like it? And if you are in a way of creating some contents, why cannot you subscribe to this channel? Maybe tomorrow's video will be about what you want to create. Click on done and export your video. Wait some moments to render your video. Wait until it reaches on 100%. By that time you will have download sign and you will need to click on it and wait a moment. I am going on a special part. By now we have created our video by using only ChatGPT and we have exported it using VEED.ai. Now we are going on important part of editing our video. We will do this by using a software called CapCut. If you have a CapCut in your personal computer or smartphone, click on captions to generate captions. Choose language English. Your captions are being generated. You will need CapCut to create subtitles, and also it is going us to remove watermark. Continue watching please up to the end. Don't miss the rest part of the video because it is more important for you. Make your captions to look somehow special. Please click here. We are going to remove watermark. Expand it and be sure that it covers the whole video to mean the same as your video length. Resize this to cover the word VEED. To export our video, click export. Yes, my dears. Now let us open File Explorer and open the folder where we have saved it and open our video.
In the lush, vibrant forest, a wonderful ecosystem thrives. Here, every animal plays an important role. Meet the mighty lion and the fierce tiger, both top predators that help keep the animal population in balance. They remind us that everyone has a role to play. Look at the graceful antelopes
Yes,
and
well
tall
done.
giraffes
Please subscribe to
grazing
this channel
peacefully.
to
They
support
teach
our
us the
creation.
importance of
Thank you
being
for
gentle and
watching.
kind.
See you in the
Just
next
like how
video.
the antelopes run swiftly and the giraffes reach high, we should always strive to do our best